Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 9.5 chapter 9 algebraic expression. Question number 1 we have already done by using identities. One first identity a plus b whole square. Do you remember a plus b whole square? We have done by using this identity also we have completed our sum. Second identity a minus b whole square, we have completed our work by using this identity. And third one a square minus b square or a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. We have already completed. A plus b whole square, you will know that a square plus 2ab, say with me, a square plus 2ab plus b square, yes, repeat with me, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So all these identities we have already used, and we have by using these identities we have done few sums also. Now the fourth one identity we will use today, and it is given in the question. Use the identity x plus a, x plus b, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab to find the following products. Few products, question number 2, few sums are there where you have to find the product of these two binomials by using identity. When it is written that you have to use this identity, then try to use this identity only. If you find the answer by multiplication of the two binomials, maybe the answer will come correct, but the question is asking using identities, then it is mandatory to use the identities. Okay. Now the question is x plus a in the identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square. That means the first term of the two binomials are same, so x square, then both the sums are have plus sign, both the binomials have plus sign in between, so our product identity also showing that plus. Then the second term of the two binomial a plus b into x, then product of the last two terms a into b. Okay, now we will use this identity and we will find the sum. First one is x plus 3 and x plus 4. Here x is resembles x, same number is there, but in place of a we are getting 3 in place of a. In place of a we are getting 3, and in place of b we are getting 7. So using the identity, how to find the product of this sum? X square, you know that product of the same number. When we are finding the, by using this identity, we have to find this square of this number. Okay, then x square, then a plus b plus, here a is 3 and b is 7. So 3 plus 7, and then into x, inside the bracket a plus b into x, a plus b into x, and then a into b plus a into b. A is our 3 and b is our 7. So 3 into 7. Understood? Now x square plus 3 plus 7, that means a plus b into x into ab. Now the result is x square plus 3 plus 7, 10x plus 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 7, 21. This is the answer of this sum, and the sum become easy also by using this identity. When we are using identities, that means we are making our sum easier and faster way. Okay. Now come to the next sum. Question number 3, 4x. Now next sum, question number 3, 4x minus 5 into 4x minus 1. Now you can see that instead of a plus x plus a into x plus b, we are getting here minus sign. So what? When we are getting minus sign, we are making a positive plus sign only. But how we are making this? Concentrate here. I am using one second bracket, then 4x plus minus 5, as minus 5 is our b, into 4x plus minus 1. So minus 1 is our, minus 5 is our a and minus 1 is our b. Understood? Minus 5 is our, we are considering minus 5 is as a and minus 1 as b. Then the sum will become easy. 4x, see the first term of this, of the two binomials are same. Most important thing is the first term of these two binomials are same. Second term, maybe the sign is plus or minus. If the sign, both the signs are plus, then it is easy to use that identity. But when this is minus also, then we are converting this minus in this way. Inside the bracket I am taking this one and we are considering minus 5 as a and minus 1 as b. Then by using that identity, what we will do? X square, we remember, x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So the same way we will do here. 4x square, that is our x here. This one is our single one is our x. We are considering this one as x. So 4x is our x here. So x square plus a plus b. Now what can I do? Our a is minus 5, I will write a is minus 5 and b is minus 1, so I will write b is minus 1 as it is minus a plus b plus minus 1. So plus minus 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 5 and minus 1. Then x is 4x, a plus b into x. So minus 5 minus 1 into 4x plus a into b minus 5 into minus 1 a into b. Can you see? Minus 5 into minus 1. So x square plus a plus b, a is minus 5 plus b is minus 1 plus minus minus, so minus 5 minus 1, x is 4x, then plus sign a into b, a is minus 5 and b is minus 1. Okay. Now 4x square, 4 4 just 16, x square plus minus 5 and minus 1, that will be minus 6 into 4x plus minus 5 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 5 into 1, 5. Now 16x square minus plus minus minus 6 4 is 24x plus 5. When we are making this minus sign inside the bracket and outside it is plus, so it will be very similar with our identities. To make it similar, we are doing this only. So 4x plus minus 5 is our a, 4x plus minus 1 it is our b, x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Now just solve the sum. Understood? Now, before coming to the next sum, check these sums now. Now, for the next sum, question number 5, 2x plus 5y into 2x plus 3y. By using this identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now, 2x, both the numbers are same in the two binomials. So 2x square, instead of x square we will write 2x square. Here we are considering 2x as x here, and a is our 5, y is our a and 3y is our b. So what, and both the sign are plus. So no need to use second bracket and making them plus and minus. So do directly because both of them are plus. So x square plus a plus b x. Here a is 5y and b is 3y. So a plus b into x. X is 2x. A plus b 2x square. That means x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. A is 5y into 3y. Now do the sum. 2 into 2, 4, x into x square plus. Both are like terms. So you can add them. 5y plus 3y, 8y into 2x, 8y into 2x plus 5y into 3y, 5 3 is 15, y into y square. Next line 4x square plus 8 to just 16, x, y. Instead of yx, you have to write xy alphabetically. Plus 15 y square. And this is the result of this sum. This is the answer. 4x square plus 16xy plus 15y square. Okay. Now, question number 7. xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2. So, what we will do now? xyz minus, here we will use xyz as x and this one we will use as x and this one, that means this one is also x and this minus 4 we have to use as a and minus 2 we have to use as b. As minus sign is there, so students, what we will do, as minus sign is there, so we will now arrange using second bracket, we will make the sum slightly clear. Now x, y, z plus minus 4, close the second bracket. Then for the second binomial x, y, z plus minus 2. Now this is x plus a, x plus b, x square. Here x is our x, y, z. So x square plus a plus b. So minus 4 minus 2 a plus b into x and x is x, y, z. X we are considering here x, y, z. So x square plus a plus b as they are minus, so plus minus minus plus minus minus. A plus b into x, then plus a into b. A is minus 4 and b is minus 2. Now the result is x, y, z whole square, that means x square, y square, z square plus minus 2 and minus 4, it will be minus 6, both are same sign, we need to add minus 6 x, y, z plus minus 4 into minus 2, minus minus plus 4 2s are 8. X square, y square, z square plus minus minus 6 x, y, z plus 8. So in this way, can you see the sum? Okay, in this way, when it is minus then plus minus minus 6 x, y, z. So I hope sums are now easy to all of you, and you need to what you have to do, you need to practice it properly, and if you practice it, it will be easy for you. Thank you, students.